We did our biography project on Funny Bones, Posada and his Day of the Dead Calaveras. The author/illustrator is Duncan Tonatiuh. I'm Jason.
And I'm Becca. The author and illustrator is Duncan Tonatiuh. He lives in Mexico but sometimes travels in the United States. Other books that Duncan created are Separate is Never Equal, Diego Rivera, His World and Ours, Dear Primo, A Letter to My Cousin, and Pancho Rabbit and the Coyote. Duncan Tonatiuh has won a few awards in children's literature. He has won the Pierre Belpré Award for Funny Bones, the Pierre Belpré Medal for Illustration in Diego Rivera, the Pierre Belpré Honor Book for Illustration on Dear Primo. His book Pancho Rabbit and the Coyote won the Pierre Belpré Honor Book for Narrative and Illustration, Tomas Rivera Mexican American Children's Book Award, and the Notable Books for a Global Society Book Award.
The selection to detail is well crafted and tells the story of a great man named Jose Guadalupe Posada, who goes by the name Lupe in the third person. A calavera is a festive bony figure which means skull. In the book, Lupe is a skilled artisan who is known for his drawings, lithography, and engraving of calaveras. Duncan also offers further details at the end of the book, which includes the author's note, glossary, bibliography, and where you could see Posada's work in the U.S. It also includes an index which allows you to refer back to the pages about given topics.
The most prominent visual features include color. The color is very neutral looking with colors such as dark brown, yellow, and orange, as you can see in the pictures. They are very bland and it doesn't jump off the page at you. Now the font remains the same throughout the book except when Don Lupe's drawings are shown on the pages. The text is very similar to an Arial font and remains the same way throughout. This creates a very simple style of writing that was used.
The layout is boxed in. Most of the pages have some sort of border, whether it be bones or boxes showing different things Lupe is doing. As you can see in the pictures, he uses different colors to show which things he is doing. The mood is very gloomy because it depicts death. The book includes numerous skulls/calaveras throughout the book. Duncan shows how Lupe became indulged in his drawings of calaveras. Although these calaveras/skeletons have a sense of being scary, they are shown as fun and easygoing, as you can see in the photo above. That's the end, but on our last page you could also see that it is bordered in bones and shows just very bland colors and just gives a description of the book.